cartoon character, I don't know the name of, Dragon Ball. Do you want to write something about animals, plants, chemistry, physics, chemistry? I don't know how to lie, something like that. Oh, Paul, what would this be if I chose what? What kind of character is this? If you want the character, it will be created for you in your drawing, under your name, through artificial intelligence. See the beauty? AI can create anything you want, Dragon Ball or not. The images are stunning. For example, a plant cell. When the cell appears, what does it have? Or an animal cell? Or something else? Plants, trees, anything you write appears. Honestly, it's very creative. This program has many things. I'm just showing you. When the cells come, what do they get? Or the animal cell, or I don't know what. Plants and trees. Anything you want to write here. Just write it, and it will come out for you. Honestly, it's creative. Very creative. So, in this program, there are many things. Everyone. I'm just trying to show you, that's all I'm saying. Some people really struggle with the process of putting everything together, but with topics like this, just click and add the topics and click on it. I chose it to add your topics, and in seconds, what else does it give you? Wow, look, it gave you, in just a few seconds. Richard, just a moment. By the way, other than the condition that I don't like, other than the condition that he brings you another fortune. Look, I can do it for you in the condition. The idea is that there are other ways too in the fortune telling process, like different shapes and many things like that. There are a lot of things you can change. And this stuff, some people write. Oh, Dr. Ella, is it possible? Drawing some mathematical functions like the function, I haven't tried it. Honestly, I tried the topic of functions on images. Yes, Dr. Allah, I tried it on images, and I tried it on the diagrams and the mind map. Those things are honestly working perfectly, 10 out of 10. Should we give it a try? The diagram, the mind map. Honestly, those things are working perfectly, 10 out of 10. Should we give it a try? What does he say? Close this for us. Let's go in here and tell it what create a mathematical function for me. Let's enter it here. Oh, for example, also, and you write the face. Look at this. It seems to be doing something like that, Dr. Allah, but I'm not specialized in this area. You're the one who can help us with this matter. Okay, you can help us with this. A picture, I mean just a picture. Okay. But will what you wrote come out as an image? If you wrote that, it will definitely search for it. But what you wrote will come out as an image. This picture, Dr. Allah, haha, the picture gives you a really strange image. Is this picture really strange? Are you expressing that need or what? Picture strange. Dr. Abdullah bin, in another excellent site, Dr. Abdullah, guys, I say in another useful site, regarding this matter, it is also excellent. They should also open Dr. Abdullah's site. It will certainly also be useful to us. Okay, yes, of course. The things we write in Arabic come out in Arabic and everything. So, is there something else? Sorry, because our picture, is there something else? We are working on the content, and there are a lot of things in the content, honestly. I mean, until now, we haven't even gotten to the tests, videos, drawings, or images, or any of that stuff. We still haven't done that. I'm telling you, time is slipping away from us. Sorry, we'll close the bureau, and we'll quickly move on to something new. Let's quickly think about something new. Everyone. and we'll quickly move on to something new. Let's quickly think about something new, everyone. Sorry, quickly like this. Quickly like this. Let's hurry and get the slides. The closest one like that. There's also something I want to explain before the slide. Or fix it first. No, let's explain this first and then we'll explain the other thing. This is the site, guys. This is the extension that you add to your browser. On your browser. So you first install it on your browser. Should I do its name? So I sent you its name. Slides AI. You install this on your device, on your browser, right? You can access it, for example. Okay. Continuing. And here, be careful when you click on the slide. A-A-L-L. Is this related to Balal? In taxes, what do you mean by the account you entered? The account you entered. I entered the account. Whose name is it? Sammy? 21. Safan. I don't know what this beauty has become. The date feature is available to you, through which you can. The slide has been installed under this email, Safwan, correct? So I logged into Google. Google, what does this do, Dr. Sammy? Click the 9 dots. Google, focus with me now. What does this do, Dr. Sammy? This will show you. Do you see those 9 dots at the top? Let's first check on 21, right? Or 21. Those 9 dots at the top, you click on them like this. You click on it. When you click on it, you find here a button, the word new or Jdeed. Click on new like this. And here, when you click on new, all right, fine, sir. Okay, I'll do new things. Or you click on new to open something called what? Google? Google Slides. You click on Google Slides like this. All right, does it pass like this? As you can see, in this way, you'll find something called an extension. If you're using the English interface, it's called extensions. Or if you're using the Arabic interface, it's called al-idafat, add-ons. If you have the English version, if you're Google, the one called the off appears in English, you can check here next to the word. If you're using the Arabic interface, you'll find the word al-idafat, add-ons, or you'll see at the very bottom something new has appeared here called what? Do it with artificial intelligence. And this is a new addition they added to the topic of all right. So I'm telling him, is it working? Slide with artificial intelligence via Google Slide. Quickly now, folks, this is also one of the things that can help you quickly with artificial intelligence. So if you see, just like you see here, do you see those 3 stars? Those are the ones related to artificial intelligence. So I'm telling you, pay attention to me. I'm not going to do just one thing for you. I'm going to do a bunch of things. I'll ask you if you want the thing you want to create in Arabic or in English or, look, I'll give you options before you enter. All right? So for example, I say English like this, and then I'll write what I want. Honestly, I'm a jokester, or I don't know what. And you start to input certain data, honestly, at the beginning like this, your thing, or I don't know what. And you start to input certain data, honestly, at the beginning like this. Yours, or is that it? Did you hear about it? What subject are you teaching? For example, I'm teaching something like this. For example, or for example, mathematical or physical. Look at the subject you're teaching. I can put anything, but just so we don't waste our time. A sleep notebook, they ask you, are you using it? Yes. I use it. And then, let's see, a few questions like this. Honestly, do you use it daily, weekly, or monthly? Just a few simple questions like that. The important thing is, oh, I use it weekly, all right? And then, where did you hear about it? Honestly, I heard about it from my colleagues at the college. Oh, okay. Or in some cafe or something. The important thing is you keep adjusting the same thing. And then I started. Look here, folks. How beautiful it is. What does it say? Tell me here. Okay. All right, I got it. Here, I'm telling you honestly, if you want to make this presentation from text, do you have the text to give me for the presentation? Or do you have topics for me to create the presentation? Or do you have a PDF for me to make the presentation? Or give me a YouTube link and I'll create the presentation from that? Or do you have link? God, here you have a wide range of options as a member of this teaching group through which you can make the presentation. All right. If you have any text, put it here, click on this and start adding it. If you have specific topics, put them here. If you have a PDF file, put it here and it will create a presentation from that. If you have a YouTube video, Dr. Sammy, it can also create a presentation from that. You have a PDF file, put it here and he will make a presentation from it. You have YouTube and a video too, Dr. Sammy from YouTube. Yes, he can make a presentation from it. You have a web link, like if I wanted to, for example, I entered a web link like this, I entered this one, yeah. I would enter a web link like this. If I entered, for example, computer science resources, I really like this site, and there is really nice information about computers. And I want to meet him, so I'm copying the link here, and I'm checking out what's on this web link, and I will very carefully and slowly place it. What exactly happened to you? Please use this case. It tells you here a requirement. Here, we are one. Let's go back again. Click on add-ons. Then here. One moment. Everyone, Abdullah, he's telling you that the three options might be from the add-ons, doctor. There's a video that we're trying out, right, Abdullah? Okay. Oh, there's a video. One moment, please. Here the three options might be, doctor, from the add-ons. Okay. Okay. Let's just say, what about the other add-ons group? Sorry, let's get it again. Create. Do you see where it went? It keeps disappearing. I'm telling you to put 5 or 10 words so we can make a presentation out of them. And we can say, for example, the material components. We'll see them in a moment. Here, the two material components. We'll try all the material components. Be careful. Right away, if you click here on the word OK, so here I'm telling you to give me, for example, what type. Well, honestly, I don't know the audience you're targeting, or I'm not sure, something like that. So it gives you, for example, okay, what type. Well, honestly, I don't know what the target audience is, or if it's for middle school or teachers, something like that. So what does it give you? For example, what? These are options to do, meaning that every time you do something, more options appear and give you more options to do continuously. It will start creating your presentation. It begins with slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and if you want to change the text, you can modify it. If you want to swap between them, you can do that too. If you want to add something, you can add slides. It created 5 for you, and you can add a new slide and start putting things in it. Click continue, and then you'll set the theme for it, like its background. For example, I'm choosing this background and then continue. It will start making your slide. Let's try this, everyone. If you're putting text, I'll show you how to add a video, how to add a link. I tried the link and I tried the text. Look, when you combine them, it will show you the time right away in seconds. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. Right away, it will start making a slide for you in seconds. We'll try this, everyone. If you're putting text, I'll show you how to add a video, how to add a link. I tried the link and I tried the text. Look, when you combine them, it will show you the time right away in seconds. They took it off, took it off, took it off.